Hi folks, my name is Andrew Newell and I am the inventor of the Blazing Beard Tool. I invented this portable, rugged, and stylish tool for the bearded man on the go. It has a automatic dual action polished beard comb. It has built-in beard oil and beard balm dispensers. Here's the beard balm. And here's the beard oil. These dispensers are removable and refillable. So you can use any beard oil or beard balm you like. On the reverse side of the tool, we have a built-in, magnetically attached boar's hair beard brush. That's pretty cool. And hidden behind the beard brush is a mirror so that you can see what you're doing. It also has a fold-out stainless steel mustache comb. And finally, we have a miniature pair of scissors for clipping away those flyaways. So as you can see, this beautiful and attractive tool is something any man would be proud to carry. Here's a summary of all of the features of the Blazing Beard Tool. Alright my friends, so along with the amazing Blazing Beard Tool, we will have additional offerings available to increase the functionality and to enhance your enjoyment. First up is a custom fit belt holster for you to carry your beard tool and also add an extra layer of protection. Next we will be offering spare beard oil and beard balm dispensers so you can quickly switch out your favorite oils and balms. And we will also be offering Blazing Beard Oil and Blazing Beard Balms. And finally, we're going to offer some specially priced combination packages. Here's a summary of all the additional items that we will be offering. Alright my friends, so as you can see, the Blazing Beard Tool has everything required for the bearded man on the go. So take advantage of my special Indiegogo pricing and pre-order yours today. Share the news with all the bearded men in your life that the Blazing Beard Tool is now available for pre-order. And even if you don't have a beard, remember, the Blazing Beard Tool makes a unique and useful gift. The current status of the Blazing Beard Tool is it has completed its production trials, and I expect mass production to begin within the next 30 days, and I expect to have inventory available for shipment sometime in July. So order your Blazing Beard Tool today and keep your beard blazing wherever you go. Thank you for your support.